Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our previous topic is linear equation in one variable. We saw some question for making linear equation in one variable and solving these equation. Our next question is question number 6. Three consecutive integer add up to 51. What are these integers? First of all, what is integer? Integers are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This type of numbers. Next is our 3 consecutive integers. 3 consecutive integers. Integers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. These are our integer. 3 consecutive integer number is 1, 2, 3. The pair of 3 numbers, pair of continuous 3 number, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7 and many more. These are consecutive integer number. By adding these we get 51. By adding these, 1, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 3, 4 is 9, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 is 12, this is 18. So addition of these number are 6, 9, 12, 18. No one is 51. So what do we do? So we take 3 consecutive numbers are assume our first number is x. Then we select 1. Next is 1 plus 1, 2. Then we select 2. 2 plus 1, 3. When we select 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So next number will be x plus 1. The third number is 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2. So next is plus 2. So remember that 3 consecutive numbers will be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. If the question says that 2 consecutive numbers, 2 consecutive integers numbers will be x and x plus 1. 4 consecutive integers will be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. So you can draw any consecutive integers number. So students, let's move to our question. Now for answer, let assume 3 consecutive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2 is given in question. The addition of these 3 numbers is 51. The addition of these numbers is 51. So x plus x, 2x and 3x. This is 3x. 1 plus 3, 4 is 51. Now transposing 4 to right hand side. This is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. When we transposing 4 to right hand side, for the sign of digit will be changed. 4 is plus, then it moves to right hand side will be minus. So 3x is equal to 51 minus 4. 3x is equal to, when we minus 51 minus 4, the answer is 47. Sorry, there are three numbers x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. There are three numbers x, x plus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 51. 1 plus 2 is 3. Transposing 3 to right hand side, this is 3. 51 minus 3 is 48. Dividing both sides by 3. 3x upon 3, 48 upon 3, x is equal to 16. So 3 consecutive numbers are, x is 16, 16, 17, 18, 16, 17, 18. We can add these numbers 16, 17, 18, 8, 7, 15, 15 plus 6, 15 plus 6 is 21, then 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 51. Answer is 51. Addition of these number is 51. Now take beginning of the question. 3 consecutive integer number add up to 51. What are these integers? Let assume 3 consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Given in question, addition is 51. Addition of these number is 51. X plus x plus x, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 3 time x. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 51. Now transposing 3 to right hand side, when we transpose any number, the sign of number will be changed. So plus 3, move this side to minus 3. So plus 3 will goes to right hand side is minus 3. 51 minus 3 is 48. Now we will find the value of x. There is multiplier of 3, so we will divide by 3, dividing both side by 3, dividing by 3 and dividing by 3. 3 and 3 will be cut down, so answer is x. When we divide by 3 in 48, answer is 16. X is 16. Then 16, 17, 18. 3 consecutive numbers are 16, 17, 18. This is our rough part. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is, the sum of 3 consecutive multiply of 8 is 888. Find the multiplies. What is the multiply of 8? Let multiply of 8. Multiply of 8 is table of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, so on, 80, 88, 96 and so on. These are multiply of 8. Let 3 consecutive multiply. 3 consecutive multiply. Then 8, 16, 24, 16, 24, 32, 24, 32, 40, 32, 40, 48. These are consecutive of 8. 3 consecutive multiplies of 8. Now addition of 888. These addition are not 888. Let assume our first digit is x. Let assume our first digit is x. Second digit is 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 8, 32 plus 8. The next digit says that this is plus 8. So x, then x plus 8. Move to our third digit. 8 plus 16 24, 16 plus 16 32, 24 16 40, 32 16 48 means plus 16. Then our 3 consecutive multiply of 8 is x, x plus 8 and x plus 16. This is our rough part. Now attending the question, answer is, let assume 3 consecutive multiplies of 8 is x, x plus 8, x plus 16 is given in question. The sum of 3 numbers is triplet. The sum of these numbers is 888. First number, second number, third number. X 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 3 time x, 8 16 24 is equal to 888. Now transposing 24 into right hand side. For transposing to right hand side, the sign of 24 will be changed. The sign is plus, then move to right hand side will be minus. 3x is equal to 888 minus 24. 3x is equal to 468. Now we will find the value of x, but this is multiplied by 3, so we dividing this equation by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Then 3x divided by 3 and 864 divided by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out, the x. When we divide by 3, there is 2 times, remainder is 2. 26, 26, 8 times, 24, remainder is 2, 24, 24, 8 times. You can divide in your rough copy. X is 288. 288. X is 288. Then next digit is plus 8. Next digit is plus 16. So three consecutive multiplies of 8 is 288. Then we add 8, 2, 9, 6. Then we add 16. Then this digit is 304. These are 3 numbers. The addition of these 3 numbers will be 888. Now we add rough copy. We will add these numbers for cross check our answer. 6 4 10 18, 9 9 18, 3 2 5 5 4 3 8. The answer is correct. So our answer is 288 296 304. So from taking beginning of the question, the sum of 3 consecutive multiply of 8. Multiply of 8, we let check a table of 8. 3 consecutive numbers are selected: 8, 16, 24, 16, 24, 32. For these number we make a pattern. Let assume first digit is x. What is the next digit? The next digit says that this will be add 8. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 8 32, 32 plus 8 14. Then x plus 8. In next digit it will be plus 8, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 8 32, 32 plus 8 40, 40 plus 8 48 plus 8. So plus 8, 8 plus 8 16. So then x plus 16. There are three numbers, x, x plus 8 and x plus 16. Let assume three consecutive multiply of 8 is x, x plus 8, x plus 16. As given in question, sum of these number is 888. Sum of three numbers is 888. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 3 time x, 8, 16, 24. Transposing 24 to right hand side, so sign of plus will be changed into minus. When we subtract 24 in this number, answer is 864. We will find the value of x. In the x there is multiply of 3, so we will divide by 3, dividing both side by 3, dividing by 3 and dividing by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out, answer is x. When we divide by 3 this number, answer is 288. X is 288, then plus 8 and plus 16, plus 8 and plus 16. These are answer. We will cross check by adding these number, answer is correct. This is our rough part. Let's take a screenshot. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio of 7:5. This type of question we already attended. When given in ratio 7:5, we will put the value 7x and 5x for both. 4 years later, after 4 years, after 4 years, let assume your age is 14. Let assume your age is 14. Then what is your age after 4 years? After 4 years, you will be 14 plus 4, 18 years. So we will add 4. We will add 4 in both ages. After 4 years, the sum of their age will be 56. The sum of their age is 56. What is their present age? Answer: assume present age of Rahul. Assume present age of Rahul is Rahul and Harun 7:5. Rahul is 7, Harun is 5. So 7x. Rahul is 7x. Assume present age of Harun is 5. So we will assume this is 5x. After 4 years, age of Rahul. After 4 years, we will so that the age will be present age plus 4. Present age is 7x and after 4 years plus 4. After 4 years, age of Harun is present age is 5x after 4 years plus 4. These are the after 4 year ages. 4 years later, the sum of their age will be 56. The sum of these age will be 56. Then age given in question 7x plus 4, 5x plus 4. The sum of their ages is 56. 7x 5x, 7 plus 5 12x, 4 plus 4 8 is 56. Transposing 8 to right hand side. When we transpose 8 to right hand side, the sign will be changed. This is plus, then move to right hand side will be negative. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 12x is equal to 48. Now we will find the value of x, but this is multiplied by 12, so we will divide by 12. Dividing both sides by 12. 12x by 12, 48 by 12. 12 and 12 cancel out. X is 48 divided by 12 is 4. So x is 4. But the question says that what are their present age? Present age is 7x and 5x. So final answer is, so present age of Rahul is 7x, means 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 years. Present age of Harun is equal to 5x, put the value of x, 5 into 4, 20 years. After 4 years, taking the question, present age after 4 years, this will be 32, this will be 24, the addition is 56. After 4 years, the age, sum of age is 56. So our answer is correct. Now take beginning from the question. The age of Rahul and Harun are in ratio of 7:5. In this type of question, we will put 7x and 5x. 4 years later means after 4 years. After 4 years, the age will add by 4. After 4 years, the sum of their age is 56. Let assume present age of Rahul is 7, Harun is 5, then 7x and 5x. After 4 years, Rahul age is 7x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Now sum of their age is 56. Sum of their age is 56. 7x plus 5x is equal to 12x. 4 plus 4 is 8. 56. When we transpose 8 to right hand side, the sign will be changed. So positive will convert into negative. 56 minus 8 is 48. Now we will find the value of x. This is multiplied by 12. So we will divide both sides by 12. So 12x divided by 12, 48 divided by 12. 12 cancel out. Then remainder is x. 12 can divide 48 by 4 times. So x is 4. But this is not our answer. What is their present age? Present age is 7x and 5x. So 7x and 5x. Put the value of x. X is 4. Then 7 into 4, 28. 5 into 4, 20. This is our final answer. Take a screenshot of this. We will move to next question. Now our next question is question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Let assume present age of Ravi is x. Let assume present age is x. 15 years from now, after 15 years the age will be x plus 15, but question saying that the age will be equal to 4 times of this present age. 4 times present age is x, so the question is 4x plus 15 is equal x plus 15 is equal to 4x. Find the value of x and present age. This is our question. In answer, assume Ravi's present age is x. After 15 years from now, Ravi's age is x plus 15. Present age is x. After 15 years, x plus 15. Age given in question. Age given in question. 15 years from now, Ravi's age x plus 15 will be equal 4 times of his age, 4 times of his present age, 4 times x. Present age is x, so 4 times x. Transposing x to right hand side. Here x is positive. When we transpose, this will be negative. 15 is equal to 4x minus x. 4 minus 1, 4 times x minus 1 times x, there is 3 times x. 15 is equal to 3x. For finding the value of x, we will remove this 3. 3 is multiply, so we will divide. Dividing both sides by 3. 15 by 3, 3x by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. This is x and this is 5. X is equal to 5. But question is, what is Ravi present age? Ravi's present age is x is equal to 5 years. The present age is 5 years. So, taking from beginning of the question, 15 years from now, after 15 years, Ravi's age will be 4 times of his age will be. So, assume will be equal to 4 times of his present age. What is the present age? Let assume present age is x. 15 years from now means after 15 years, the age is x plus 15. The age will be equal to 4 times. Age given in question, the age will be equal 4 times of present age. Present age is x, 4 times x. Now transpose x to right hand side. This is positive, so move this side to negative. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times x. Now we will remove 3 from here, so we will divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3 and divide by 3. Divide by 3 we get 5. 3 and 3 cancel out, we get x. So present age of Rahul is x. X is equal to 5 years. So answer is over 5 years. So student, in next class we will check our next question. Thank you for watching this video.